I'm Mama. Hey, Rachel, where's the light? Yay! Abby, where's the light?
They don't train me. How big is Abby? So big. How big is Abby?
What are you saying?
How big is Abby? So big. How big is Abby?
This hasn't done that in a while. I think she forgot how to do it.
So big. Rachel's like, I think I can try that.
But just with one hand.
Oh.
Oh, baby.
Nice,
Are
baby.
you pushing her away?
Yeah, it's like, get in my face.
Get out of there. That's nice.
Two pretty little girls here.
I gotta take this out.
They're gonna grow up and remember that's right.
You gonna put a turkey in there? You gotta take the middle thing out?
They had a baby in the oven earlier.
Uh-oh. Making baby pie.
A baby pie. This is fun. Just watch the baby.
Keep that close. You're letting all the air out. I don't know if that's supposed to be a dishwasher or just a cabinet. I can't tell.
We got the freezer on the bottom and the refrigerator on the top.
Yeah.
That's how mine is. Okay.
Are you hitting her or patting her?
Yeah.
Either one.
So you did good
Putting that together.
We're just connecting here.
The only part that was tough was the little swivels to the doors.
Oh.
So big. How big is Abby? So big.
So thank you, I am.
You're one.
Oh, you're on?